Congress candidate from Shillong parliamentary constituency and an incumbent MP, Vincent Pala, on Monday said that the NPP-led MDA government could not secure any special assistance from the centre despite working together with the BJP. Addressing an election rally in Latumkra, Pala, who is also the Congress chief in Meghalaya, said that the BJP-led NDA government at the centre has not given anything extra to the state. Earlier, the Congress chief warned about the larger plan of the BJP to support the NPP in the 2 parliamentary seats in the state. Pala said that the BJP might stake the claim for the lone Rajya Sabha seat by giving up the 2 Lok Sabha seats like they have done in Nagaland.
Tomorrow, BJP will swallow the NPP. It happens in Maharashtra, it happens in Bihar, it happens in many states where the BJP first work as a partner with the party, and later on when they become stronger and it is done on their own. So even the NPP voters and the BJP voters as of today starts realizing, and they come to the party, to the Congress.